the sky in black and white. Ghosts of thunder, Saturn V light, boot prints pressed in lunar dust, a flag of prayer, a fragile trust.
Voices carried through the void, crackled calm but hearts deployed.
Names we learned like sacred lines still echo through these later times.
We were watching from the ground. Now the fire comes back around, between footprints and fire, between silence and sound. We're still reaching higher from the small spinning ground. For all mankind we rise again, through the dark beyond the blue. What they started never ended, now the path runs through you.
Four souls riding on the line,
Past the edge of known and time.
Reed wise man holds the course ahead, Victor Glover wear courage led.
Christina Koch sees the arc unfold. Jeremy Hansen breaks the mold. Different flags but one same sky. We don't ask the reason why, between footprints and fire, between silence and sound, we're still reaching higher from the small spinning ground. For all mankind we rise again, through the dark beyond the blue. What they started never ended, now the path runs through you. No rehearsals, just this flight, a fragile spark against the night. From oceans crossed to orbits wide, we carry all who came before inside. Between footprints and fire, between memory and dream, we are climbing higher than we've ever been. For all mankind we rise again, past the fear of what we knew. The line between then and forever is breaking into view.
they showed us it was possible.